Understanding, sing a melody, in English. Hello everyone, in today's video, we'll be exploring the phrase, sing a melody. This is a common phrase in English, especially in music and everyday conversation. We'll break down its meaning, usage, and some interesting facts about melodies. Whether you're an English learner or just curious about the phrase, this video is for you. The phrase, sing a melody, refers to the act of vocalizing a series of musical notes that are arranged in a pleasing and harmonious sequence. A melody is the main element of a song that you hum or sing along to. It's different from lyrics, which are the words of a song, and from the rhythm, which is the beat or pace of the music. Melodies are crucial in music because they are often the most memorable part of a song. They can evoke emotions, create a mood, and stay with us long after the song is over. A good melody is usually easy to remember and sing, making it a key element in popular music. Let's try singing a melody together. We'll take a simple and well-known tune, like Happy Birthday, and focus on singing the melody without the lyrics. Notice how the melody flows and how each note connects to the next. This exercise will help you understand how melodies work in songs. The concept of melody isn't just limited to music. In everyday language, we often use the term to describe something that is pleasantly harmonious or beautifully arranged. For example, you might hear someone say, "Her voice was like a melody," to describe a pleasing and melodious voice. I hope this video helped you understand what it means to sing a melody, and why melodies are such an important part of music and language. Remember, a melody is more than just notes. It's the heart of a song that connects with us emotionally. Keep practicing your English and enjoy the melodies around you.